Hello and welcome to Lesson 2 of WP Rocket, Optimizing Cache Settings. In this video, we will explore the WP Rocket, a powerful cache plugin that improves website speed and performance. We will go through its primary functions, key features, and the settings we need to configure for optimal results. With WP Rocket, when we go to the dashboard, there are two types of settings. The first is cache files, and the second is priority elements. We can also get these options at the top when we hover into WP Rocket. Clear cache and clear priority elements. The Clear Cache button allows you to clear all cache files and make updates to your website for specific pages and sections. For the clear priority elements, these elements are automatically purged in most scenarios, but when needed, both can be manually used with the Clear Priority Element option in WP Rocket to improve mobile speed, enable the mobile cache under the Cache tab, and then head to the File Optimization. To minify and combine the JS files, defer JavaScript execution for faster loading. When we go to the media file, use the lazy load for images and videos. This ensures media is only loaded when needed, saving bandwidth for mobile users. You can check these options from here, then we will go to the preload. Actively, Sitemaps relationship-based preloading in the Preloading tab to ensure all critical pages are cached from mobile users. We will explore these options in detail in further lessons. And that's how we will configure WP Rocket Cache for optimal performance, clear cache effectively, and enhance mobile speed. With these optimizations, your site will load faster and provide a seamless user experience. This wraps up optimizing cache settings in WP Rocket. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more helpful tutorials.